Welcome. Today, we'll show you how to change your date of birth on Instagram for 2025. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Edit Profile at the top of your profile. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down to find Birthday. Tap on it to start editing your date of birth. Choose your new birth date from the calendar. Make sure it's the correct one. Finally, tap Done to save changes. Confirm by checking your profile. Easy, right? And that's it. You've successfully changed your date of birth on Instagram. Remember, Instagram limits the number of changes per year. Plan carefully. Need more help? Comment below with your questions and let us know how we can assist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Happy Instagramming!